Brad Williams, Excel Prime, the challenges of text manipulation. Here, we're going to look at a sentence and we're going to manipulate it from a number of different places. We're going to use the dreaded substitute, and it is just a pain in the butt. Here, we're going to just show the last two words. Here, we're going to show everything but the last two words. Show the fourth word, show the last word. Here's just a summary of the end result, okay? Show only the last two words. We're going to use this mid function, substitute in when. Here we're going to use the pretty much the same, but keep in mind we're keeping everything but getting rid of the last two words. Our start number is going to be different from what we're starting with. Okay. Here we're going to show fourth word from left, which is going to be idea. Last, we're going to use the right function. I'm not going to break all of these down. Here we have this mid B5 find substitute. Okay, I broke this thing down, excluding the 90, which we're going to take for granted. That will be we have the text when our start number and our number of characters. We're going to look at this thing. Here's what the formula looks like down at B15. If you see all the way excluding the 90, we're going to grab this substitute. This is what substitute looks like. B5, we're just replacing the spaces and putting blanks. We're going to move from right to left, and we want to get a length of that. This is going to be 32. Our original B5 with no spaces is 41. We go len B5 minus len substitute. 41, 32, we're looking at 9 characters. We're going to look for that 9th space, and we're going to put, I used a tilde. You can use anything you want. Now keep in mind, I didn't throw that -1 in here. I did it on purpose. If we look carefully, we can look so badly. Let's just stretch this out. Count the characters. We have a period. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Got that? That means we're putting a tilde right there. That's our second space. Our substitute says find a space, put this tilde there based on 41 minus 32, 9 minus 1. That's what we did. We're going here, and we're going to go find the tilde. Within tilde, this is our start number. Find this within text, F9. I had no idea. That's what we just did. We inserted that tilde where? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From there, what are we going to do? We're going to mid B5 text, start number, F9, 33, number of characters, 90. This 90, that's an arbitrary number. What it does, we look at this thing, we're going to look at text, F9. We're going to look at the start number, F9. And it says 33. It's going to start at 33. We're assuming that there's no more than 90 characters. But if we grab 3, for example, and you're going to see so. The actual number is 9, and you can see so badly. The reason being is because I counted. 90 is just an arbitrary number, doesn't mean anything. If you cut it short, your outcome is going to be cut short. Got that? In terms of other ways to manipulate this, we can delete the last two words. And what we're going to do, we have this text here, B5, same as that, but we have a start number. Because we need to keep everything, and then the goal here is to get rid of the last two words. Look at the start number of characters, F9, and you're going to see 31. So we're going to go B5, we're going to keep 31 characters. How does this work? Briefly, we're going to look at here, we're going to do the exact same substitute, but look at our len here. We have this 2 minus 1, F9. Before, we were looking for only 1. We were looking for this last space. Here, we need 2. We need to use 2. We want to put that tilde at the second space. Let's see if we can find this within text, F9. I don't know, see if this works. And you can see that 2 minus 1 is going to put that tilde at the second space. We go here, we go to the fourth word, substitute, okay, you see this 4 minus 1? We're going from right to left, and we're looking for, keep in mind, we're looking for just one word. We're going to do a repeat thing in F9. And I know I may be going a little bit fast. I break this down in future tutorials. That explains this to the T. So repeat, we're going to go a number of times. Will be B5. We're looking at this 4, 1. So we have the substitute mid text start number. So we have the start number F9. I'm not going to go in this tutorial. Just focus on this one right here. Maybe on this second. Look at this last word. For the most part, we substituted left with right. We're going to back up here. We're going to land B5. See what we can do here. F9, number of characters, right. Text, number of characters, F9. Work it out. This exercise is the last 2 words. And for fun, see if you can figure out the fourth and the last word. There's 2 different ways to do this. Take your time here. Try to get a strong understanding and take one step at a time. Look at this anatomy and read this write-up and break it down like I did. Break every one of these down piece by piece so you can visualize it. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.